everyone, welcome back. Today I have Darlene with me. Super sweet friend. She and her sisters come down. The one doesn't come down as much anymore. Still love her so much. Lorna is her name. Anyway, Darlene has a super cute cut. This is for anyone that wants just a really short, spiky, fun pixie. This is extra easy. She talked to me. She wants her bangs a little, these are long for her. So we're not going to go like super, super short pixie, but kind of in between. We do a number 3 on the back, so she doesn't have to deal with that. Right, Darlene?
Right.
She likes that gone. Yeah. So yeah, we do the number 3. And you can see it's about here, almost to the top of her ear, not quite, that I do the number 3.
But needed it so bad.
Oh my gosh, yes, you are gonna feel so much better. Yeah. so much better. Okay, so I'm going to do that side. All right, and then what I'll do, you guys, is I'm gonna clean up her neckline. And then I'm not gonna blend it until I cut the top and back here. Then I'll blend it, but I'm at least getting her neckline cleaned up. Also, with this neckline, when it grows out, I use this blending comb and I come down here in this corner and I push that in. And there's little hairs down here on the very bottom. Sorry, it's probably hard to see with light hair. But I just do that just to keep this bottom a little bit tighter. So when it starts growing out, it doesn't bug her because she doesn't like it poking out.
Cowley.
What's that?
I got that count.
Oh yes, gotta love the cowlicks. Okay, now up here, we're going to point cut into this. And this is how short we have it. Like, I mean, we're talking like an inch. She wants it really just short and easy. And something, you know, to be PC and to grab at, you know, obviously, so she can piece it out. Okay, gonna point cut into this. And I'm just keeping track of where I went. And that way I can keep the guideline of where I am at. Okay, the side. And then, like I said, as soon as I'm done cutting all this, then we'll come back and we will blend this back. Okay, now this side, we're gonna come and down this side. Yeah, it's so funny. We talk about this all the time, don't we, Dar, about how when people are like, wait, you don't need to go get your hair cut.
Yeah.
It's already short enough. Like, well, you might think so, but yeah. Short is easy.
Yeah.
And when you're used to having it short and just, yeah, it's hard not to. Yep, exactly. Okay, so there's that part. Now what we're gonna do is this top area. This is long for Darlene. We're gonna take from this area, we're gonna come forward, point cut. And when you point cut, you're gonna go on an angle. See, I'm not up, I'm not straight, I'm on an angle. That way it gives it some, you know, just different lengths in there. Okay, then the sides, we're gonna hold those out. And I will bring in, you know, a little bit through here to get this a little bit tighter. And I will show you that. And I'm cutting so it's not straight. So I just cut in on an angle. Okay, now we'll do this side. Same thing, we're gonna hold this out. Yeah, you should hear the laughs in here. We have a good time, don't we, Darlene?
Yes, we do.
We're gonna do our sister's video also, Brenda. So that is fun. How is Lorna? Is she doing good?
She's doing really good.
Awesome. I have to tell her hi for me.
Okay. She'll explain something. Tell you guys.
Oh, good. She's such a cutie. Lorna is the other sister. Okay, now for her bang area. You can see I'm gonna come in, take a little bit off, So you can see I'm cutting short and then leaving these a little longer. Okay, I'm gonna bring a little bit of this off. So you can see I'm kind of on an angle a little bit. This is gonna be too long for her. She felt like it was kind of a little bit too long through that area, and it still feels a little long even though I took some length off. So I'm just coming back through that front area to take a little bit off. And that's the thing you'll notice, like when you start doing somebody's hair, you'll get to know their hair. Like she's like, this is a little bit too long up here. And then I can kind of feel and see where it's at. And I can tell like, nope, she needs more off there. So that's actually kind of fun. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this up and try to make sure that these are even. And then now what we'll do is we'll take the blending comb and we're gonna come through this area and start blending. Maybe go up vertical this way if you haven't been blending before. Then you don't take as much hair off. Don't keep your comb in tight, kind of bring it out a little bit. The tighter you stay to the head, the closer like this, the more hair you're gonna take. So if you bring it in and kind of hold it out and go up, that's how you blend that up this way. If you go in too much, it's gonna kind of leave an indent. So you wanna kind of hold this out. Okay, I'm gonna come by your ear, hold her ear down, and just take that tight behind her ear. Just gonna go around her ear, clean that up. Okay, same thing. Just go up. She loves texture. I love it. And I love, like, I should have Darlene explain. So many people will reach out and say, why are you texturizing when they have fine, thin hair? And yes, you have to obviously be careful. You can't take too much, but I mean, ask Darlene. Without it, it just lays. It does nothing. But once you put that texturizing in there, it helps it stand up. So if you need more body as far as like lifting up to cut those shorter hairs underneath, it really truly helps. And yes, you're not going to take a ton out, but if you don't, it's going to just lay on it. She's always like, did you texture?
Yeah.
Before I leave every time, did you texture? So anyway, I just want people to know that you don't need to be scared of texturizing shears. It's okay. Right? Especially in short cuts. Okay, now the area down here, say there's different colored hair. If you feel like it needs to blend a little bit more, you can take your texturizing shears through that line of where you blended. Okay, and then all of this, I'm just coming up to give her some texture. Of course, I'm not gonna do a ton. Like I textured all through it, but not like twice, not twice. So I hit all the areas, so it will lift up for her. And believe it or not, she has hair to style. Yes. Okay. So Kenra Mousse, we love this. This always, this is the extra, it's the number 17. It's for volume. So if you need volume, then this is a great mousse for that. Okay, rub it in good. And then the other one that I love to use on Darlene is the volume and lift spray. So you spray that, not a ton. You don't want it to feel too heavy. So you just rub that in. Okay, now we will dry. I'm just gonna dry this down. As before. By your sides, just kind of forward a little bit. But you have to just keep moving your fingers. I'm just doing it a little bit slower so I can hit the right spots that I want so I can lift it. How are you feeling, Dar? Are you good? Okay.
It'll be better.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, once we did the clipper in the back, the number 3, she's never went back. It's the best.
Good.
So cute. Darlene is an extra good grandma. She is like, they call her for everything. It's so fun to hear the stories. So that's something fun about Darlene. Okay. Now she likes us to just stand up. So what we do is just bring the flat iron and just, and this cut also, you can just dry down. So it's short and then piece it out if you would like. But Darlene likes hers to stand up. Don't we, Dar?
Yes.
Have it all nice and fun and spunky with her fun little personality.
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna check this side. Might be a little bit longer. Just gonna check. Yep, see, I could see that. So we're just gonna take a tiny bit off this corner. Okay. Much better, much better. Okay, sweet. Yep. All right. Styling paste. We love styling paste. This is right. We don't live without that. I just took a finger and rub it in really good. Then you're just gonna lift. Like I said, she likes us to lift up and some down. And I'm gonna turn her to the mirror so I can see what we're doing. Is that better through this area?
Yes.
Yeah. Good. Not extra short, but like shorter than your, that was just too long for you, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That other side.
Yeah.
You was probably wondering what to do with it. Like there's all this hair right here.
Truth.
Okay. Okay, I need to take a little bit of length off this one side. Okay. They'll wipe off my hands really fast. It's just too much hair right here. And you don't want that on your sides. She does, her sides and her back bug.
Yeah.
So she's like, just take that off. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab at it, lift. Cute, Darth. See? Is that what you was feeling like
Yeah.
for your front?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So fun. Yeah. The in-style grandma. There you go. You're so cute. Okay. Thank you, Darlene, so much. I hope you guys have a phenomenal day, and we will chat next time and have a good one. See ya.